Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to SBR revision series for September 2021, and today we are going to cover IFRS 5, non-current assets held for sale and discontinued operation. So here the important thing is what is discontinued operation and how do you present it. Okay, so discontinued operation is a component of an entity, a part of an entity that has been sold or which is classified as held for sale. Either you have sold it, either you didn't sell it, but it is classified as held for sale. That means you are going to sell it. Okay, and it meets all the criteria to be held for sale and it is classified as held for sale. So that is known as discontinued operation. You are going to discontinue that operation, not going to continue anymore with that operation. Which is, remember, when you discuss whether something is a discontinued operation or not, you have to talk about those things, whether it is a separate line of business or not, or whether there's a plan to dispose a separate line of business or not, or a subsidiary acquired solely for resale. It is also a part of a discontinued operation. Not everything is a discontinued operation. Okay, if you are just selling a non-current asset, it will not be a discontinued operation. It has to be a separate line of business from which you are earning revenue and you are incurring cost. Only then it will be known as discontinued operation. Okay, you can sell anything. You can sell your non-current asset, you can sell your inventory. They will not be classified as a discontinued operation. It should be a separate line of business. Okay, and there should be a plan to dispose that separate line of business. Then it will be a discontinued operation, otherwise it will not. And how do you present it? Presentation is very important for discontinued operation because even in your revision kit, mostly IFRS 5 focuses on presentation. If it's a discontinued operation, how it is presented. Sometimes they might tell you to draw extracts, right, from profit and loss account to show this discontinued operation there. Just the extract, not the whole profit and loss account. So in statement of profit and loss account, you show it as a single amount. Okay. In the next slide, we are going to show you how it is presented and under which line. So you show this right after your tax, profit after tax. Okay. And any profit or loss on disposal or any loss on classification as held for sale. So it includes any profit or loss on disposal also. When you're disposing it, definitely you'll be incurring some cost, profit or loss. So that also will be recognized there. Okay. So let's see how it is presented. This is how it is presented. This is an example. Revenue, expenses, finance costs, tax, you deduct normal way and you write it profit from continuing operation. Right after that, below that only, you see it's in bold. You'll be writing discontinued operation and from there you are having a loss. Okay, loss from discontinued operation. So you see profit and loss are divided. They are shown as two separate lines rather than netting it off and showing as 40. No, first they are showing 110 from continuing operation, then they are showing that 70 loss from discontinued operation. So you just have to write this one line, that's it. IFRS 5 has nothing to do, only that line only you have to show, because anyway in your statement of financial position you will not show that asset anymore because it's non-current assets held for sale, so it will be sold, it will be de-recognized, it will not be shown there anymore. But in your statement of profit and loss account, yes, it will be shown. The losses from that discontinued operation needs to be written down right below the profit from continuing operations after this. So for extracts, if they tell you to draw extracts, you can show this. Okay, sometimes you might have to start from revenue, sometimes you might just have to start right after the profit. They might not give you revenue and everything, they might just give you profit from operation. So right after that, below that, you can just write this one line if they are telling you for extracts. But if they're telling you to discuss, then you need to discuss why it's a discontinued operation, because it's a separate line of business, all those things you have to write. So IFRS 5 is that much, and next we are going to cover IFRS 7, which is financial instruments but for disclosure only. That's also a very small topic. So till then, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.